Here's how to upgrade your village to level 7 in LEGO Fortnite. Fast and easy. Step 1. Head to your village square. If you don't have one yet, craft it under the build menu and utilities tab. Open the village menu and check your upgrade requirements. To reach level 7, you will need top tier materials and maxed out structures. Focus on gathering rare resources like flexwood, obsidian slabs, and cut amber. You'll get these from the dry valley and lava caves. Also, make sure your other village buildings like the lumber mill, smelter, housing are fully upgraded. That's required for level 7. Once all materials and upgrades are in place, return to the village square and hit upgrade to reach level 7. And boom! Your village is now level 7, unlocking new villagers, better rewards, and more building space. Like and subscribe for more LEGO Fortnite tips. See you in the next guide!